Okay, after installing the camera, the first thing you need to do is install your SD card. Now the SD card does not come with the camera, so you need to get one separately. Now the higher the, you want a class 10 one at least, and the higher megabyte the better, means you get longer video footage. I'm installing 250 megabyte one myself. Put it in there, snap it in, and make sure the rubber seal stays in. And now we're ready to set up the camera. To set up the camera works through an app on the phone. So the first thing you need to do is download the app in your App Store or Google, whichever phone you have. So just type in Innovv. Now here on the screen you can have your camera, which is here. Now here you can set the angle of the camera to make sure that it's facing the way you want it to go. So your front camera and your rear camera. Now the main part you'll be looking at the start is your settings. So that's your Wi-Fi, it doesn't really matter too much. Now just with the camera settings, you can change the resolution to whichever one you wish. With this one, you can flip the camera if you've installed it upside down, so again the direction of the camera. So in here you can do all your recordings, your loop recordings. I have it set for 3 minutes. So that would be how much time the video will have before it starts in a new video. Time lapse recording, your mic volume, if you don't want it to be picking up the sound of your engine or anything like that, you can turn that off. Your speed units, kilometers or miles. So in here you can do all your settings. It gives your storage capacity, how long it takes. So in here everything's done. Your parking monitor, you can put that on or off, so in case someone hits you behind. So that's how you will actually set up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
view the footage on a desktop. Now, the program we use is Dashcam Viewer. So what you have, obviously you have to download it onto your computer, and after you got that, then this is the screen you have. Open the videos. Now we already have the videos uploaded. You can have them, you can take it from the SIM card on the bike or download them onto your computer. Now we'll just pick a range of videos, and we say go from here and open. This then will bring up the video as you see. Over here then you've got the map that you can zoom in on if you wish to see exactly where you are traveling. And if you want to at any point of the journey, you can click it and it'll bring you to that section of it. What else do you do? It shows the speed you've been traveling at, the distance you're going at, and up here it tells you the footage of where you are and stuff, and all the statistics. You can download that map afterwards if you want to show the journey you've traveled in. So as I said, for the purpose of reviewing your trip, this is ideal, the ideal program. So that's it for now. So that's it on the computer side of things. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in any of the Innovv products, you'll see a link down below and you can find them on our site shinywing.com. So that's it from Paul, and hope to see you again next time. Goodbye.
With